Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Threads connected to wrong Instagram account. So, if Threads is connected to the wrong Instagram account, you'll need to switch to the correct Instagram account first. So, open the Instagram app, then tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then tap your username at the top of the screen and select the Instagram account you want to use. If you don't see it, tap Add Instagram Account and sign in. Next, go to Threads. So open Threads app, and if Threads is still using the wrong account, so tap and press your profile at the bottom right corner. So press and hold it. So here, choose the account you want to use. So choose the Instagram account you want to use. If you don't see it, click Add Profile. Then sign in with the correct username, email, or mobile number and password. Then click Login and choose your account the next time you sign in. So Threads should now connect to the Instagram account that's currently active. Now, if Thread's still using the wrong account, tap your profile. Next, tap the two-line menu in the top right corner. Now in here, scroll down and choose Log Out. So once you're logged out, sign back in and see if that solves the problem. If still doesn't switch, you can close both Instagram and Threads completely. So swipe it up and swipe it away. Then reopen Instagram first. Confirm you're on the correct account. Then launch Threads again. You can also update both apps or reinstall Threads if the issue persists. So keep in mind that each Threads profile is linked to a specific Instagram account. So you'll need to switch Instagram accounts whenever you want to use a different Threads profile. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.